Okay, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Okay, may I know your name?
My name is Dominga Reyes, 32 years old, single.
Yeah.
I have experience in working domestic helper here in the Philippines. Last October 2007 to September 2009.
Okay, how many members in the house?
9.
How many members in the house?
12.
12 members?
4 brothers and 4 sisters.
I mean in your employer's house. How many members in your employer's house?
12, sir. 12.
12. Okay, who are
Yes.
they?
4 brothers, 4 sisters, me, my mother, and my father.
I asked in your employer's house, not your own family. You told me that 2 years as a domestic helper in Philippines, right?
Yes, sir.
How many members?
12, sir.
This employer, how many?
Employer, sir. 4.
Okay, who are they?
2 children and my employer,
Okay, the 2
husband
children,
and wife.
how old?
8 and 14.
Okay, 8 and 14, right? Okay, you need to
Sir.
send them go to school?
No, sir.
No need. Okay,
No need.
what is your job in the house?
Yes, sir.
What is your job in the house? Your duties in the house?
Tutor.
What are you doing in the house?
Doing, sir. I'm cooking, ironing, washing, and I cooking.
You're a cook?
Fried fish and sinigang
Sinigang.
and hot dog with fried potato and with ketchup.
Okay, when you did something wrong in the house, the employer angry with you, what you will do?
I tell to my employer because it's our responsibility.
Yes, right. Okay, why you want to apply to Hong Kong?
To earn money to help my parents here in the Philippines.
Okay, you have no children, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how can you solve your homesick? How can you solve your homesick?
No homesick, sir, for me because I have no baby and I decided to go to Hong Kong.
Okay, any message to your future employer?
Good morning, sir, madam. My name is Dominga Reyes, 32 years old, single. I have experience working helper here in the Philippines last October 2007 to September 2009. I know how to cook fried fish and hot dog with fried potato with ketchup. I hope you choose me as a helper. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you.
Thank you.